Yeah, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity for doing this. My name is Mikael Rutty. I'm from Sunsplash Restaurant, East Orange, New Jersey. And I put myself in the position of the doctors and the nurses and the first responders. They put themselves in a very dangerous situation. And I consider myself just as them. So I would like to donate on behalf of JAHJAH Foundation and to encourage them for continue doing a great job. Thank you very much.
This is compliments of the JAHJAH Foundation. Okay. And Sunsplash Restaurant in East Orange, New Jersey. Thanking you for all your hard work and all your dedication. I know people don't want to be here sometimes, but you showed up anyway.
You sure did.
You call me there. My name is Timothy from Radiology. Thank you for the food.
Thank you, JAHJAH. Look at my beautiful food. Can't wait to eat it.
Owen Martin, I'm a third-year emergency medicine resident. Dr. Dixon on the camera right here brought in some bomb Jamaican food for us in the middle of a night shift. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Does it make you release your stress a little bit? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I mean anytime we have food, it always makes it a little bit easier to do. We've had some rough days here, but we're keeping my spirits up. I think we're maintaining a team atmosphere, which makes it a lot easier.
So this is Dr. Dixon with JAHJAH Foundation. We're here on the night shift here at Jacobi Medical Center, where we've been hit by the COVID-19 virus. If there's one thing I can say, the most important thing is for you to have a team that works well together. The night team is pretty tight. You know, everyone gets along. The janitorial services, the radiology department, nurses, the doctors, the ancillary staff, the clerks. We consider ourselves one big family, and that's the key, I think, to overcoming any pandemic. Is having a team that's tight, and the team just know their parts, and the parts are interchangeable. Like, we do what we have to do to get it done. I think it was important for the JAHJAH Foundation to play its part and provide meals. And we know Jamaican food, everyone loves Jamaican food, so we were able to call Sunsplash Restaurant in East Orange, New Jersey, and they said, sure, we always want to do our part to help. So here it is. They donated some food for the staff at Jacobi Medical Center. I want to thank them, and I want to encourage others who are standing around wondering what you can do. A donation and just a meal for the department is sometimes all that they ask for. The pay is the same pay we receive. We don't get any special pay, but we do it because we're in it with our hearts. So thank you from the JAHJAH Foundation. One love.